What's up, guys? It's Jake Fried the Car Guy, and I'm here with Walker Paul Tetters to check out the 2023 F150 LARIAT. Now, there's something a little different about this LARIAT. You might have noticed it. That is a brand new color for the F150 for 2023. This is Red Hot Pepper Metallic, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. We've got pretty good lighting today, and one thing you might see as we kind of progress through this video is this color's really good at kind of playing with the light, at kind of looking different at different angles and with different lightings. But as far as this truck, this is a chrome package LARIAT. So you've got your chrome front bumper as well as your chrome rear bumper with matching chrome wheels. I believe those are 20-inch wheels. You've also got this big chrome front fascia with the nice big Ford badge up front. Front sensors as well as front hooks, and you've got LED lighting providing you with some extremely bright light at night to make sure you can get where you're going. Now, coming around to the side, you've got those bigger chrome style PVD wheels there, as well as chromed out running boards running the length of the cab here with your Ford brand right in the middle there. Chromed out LARIAT badging, and coming around to the rear, one nice touch, you've even got a chrome matching tip for your exhaust. Super nice look. FX4 package on this truck. That means this is a four-wheel drive with better off-road capability, a little bit better suspension. And coming around to the rear, we're going to notice that EcoBoost badging. This is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost with the 10-speed transmission, one of the best transmissions ever made. And at the touch of a button, we've got the remote tailgate lowering. We've also got remote start on this truck. You've also got an awesome 3-prong plug in the back with your bed utility tie downs right here, as well as 2 additional bottle openers on all your 23 F150s. You've got the big tow hitch. This is a trailer tow package F150, so it's got that better towing capacity and also some towing specific features we're going to show you. And we've also got those rear parking sensors as well as front sensors to let you know how easy it is to park this thing. I'm gonna hop on in and give her a cold start. Let me know how she sounds. Coming into our interior, this is literally fresh out the wrapper. We actually just washed it up for you, because the last thing you ever want to do in the auto industry is show a dirty vehicle, I'll tell you. But these are our beautiful black on black leather seats with a little bit of brown trim down the side. That is new for 2023, I believe. And these black leather seats have your perforation, so not only do these seats come with a heating feature, we've also got a fan with tri-level cooling power. So super comfortable ride. Luxury is LARIAT, LARIAT is luxury. I mean, that's what it comes down to. And speaking of luxury, you've got the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. So you see that featured on your dash as well as on your door there. And then hopping on into the interior, you're also going to notice your LARIAT specific covering for your dual glove box that comes equipped on our 23 trucks. There's your regular glove box there. And again, just push of a button will open up that second glove box there. Now, as far as our trailer tow features, we've got an integrated trailer brake control, as well as a Pro Trailer backup assist. And with some sensors hooked up and a camera, you're gonna be able to actually use this as a wheel to back up even a very large, I believe over 30-foot trailer this will sink to. And as far as luxury, as far as nice features, of course, we've got our leather seats and our leather wrap shifter with the select shift function, but you've got a lot of really nice features as well, like this slide back center console area here, that when you retract it, it's got a wireless phone charger for you, as well as USBs and USB-Cs. We've got tri-level, so you can have 3 different settings for your memory seats here. So it doesn't matter who you've got driving your truck, they'll be nice and comfortable, heated and cooled seats, leather, memory seats. It's everything you're gonna want. And this is a very safe truck as well, so it's got blind spot as well as lane keeping functionality there. And one other thing it's got, along with your automatic emergency braking and your cross traffic alert, lets you know how close somebody is coming behind you when you're reversing. We've also got adaptive cruise. We've talked about that before on the channel, but adaptive cruise is going to keep you that nice safe distance behind the vehicle in front of you, slow you down if they start slowing down as well. You've got power adjustable steering column here, so just touch of a button and my steering column will go up, down, as well as telescoping in and out. I've also got power adjustable pedals, so a big guy like me might want his pedals a little bit further away from them, and for you shorter folks, you might want them a little bit closer to you, and there ain't nothing wrong with that either. This is, of course, our FX4 package, so it comes equipped with our different drive modes, including your deep snow sand mode, your mud rut mode, your rock crawl mode, and of course we have our traditional slippery wet, our normal, our tow haul mode for this nice trailer tow package, a sports mode for that good performance, and you've also got eco mode for that good gas mileage. And you see those new animations on there. I believe those started in about 21, 22, but just a really nice way to set the truck off. And that's coming in on our entirely digital dash. I believe this is a very nice digital dash that shows you a lot of information on the truck, be it navigation all the way to what they call truck info, but it's going to include things like your off-road information, like what kind of angles you're taking with your wheels and turning. You've got your power distribution to your different wheels, engine idling information. I mean, whatever you're going to want to use this truck for, it's going to be very easy to do. Touch of a button with the super easy Ford Sync 4 system, actually. And Sync 4 is what is running this center console here. And it is a dual information system, so you've got two different screens you can have pulled up. You see here, I've got my zone lighting as well as my radio pulled up there. So if I want to listen to music, but also light up the barbecue, I can do it with the touch of a button. Super easy there, guys. Built-in navigation as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And remember, with the FORDPASS app, you'll be able to start this truck, stop this truck, lock it, unlock it, tell the location at any time. You've got integrated tri-level garage door opener, so 3 different doors are able to be added there. Push of a button, our center console shifter is going to fold down, and we've got that, one of the nicest options I think you can't miss on a 2023 F-150. That's your 180 center workspace right there. Super cool. It doesn't do anything to the interior of your center console here, so it's still that big Ford center console we're familiar with chargers integrated in, but I can also get the job done out of my 23 Lariat. This is an awesome truck, guys, and I think it's actually available. So if you like the looks of it, you might want to learn a little bit more or even make a purchase, give us an email, shoot us an email over at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com, and myself or Walker will be happy to help you personally. Guys, this has been Jake Fry, the Car Guy, in this super exciting, brand new, with an all new color, that hot pepper metallic color. It looks great, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe because we've got a lot more 2023s coming. Walker, what else you got to say to the people?
Guys, drop a comment. Let us know what you think about this new color, hot pepper red. I think it looks pretty dang good, but you know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.